Hello everyone, welcome back. I am so glad that you're here. It's a mess. I'm just looking around thinking someone should clean this up. It's a good mess. I'm finally working on these Mystery Stitches blocks, but I really did not want to get any farther in May before we talked about the game that we are playing this month. This is such an easy, chill game. You do not have to make anything. You just get to shop for cute fabric on the website. So this is pretty easy. So if you remember, this is a game that my son thought of, and he's really excited to play this one with you guys. So the premise of this game is that for every $10 you spend, you get a ticket, and at the end of the month, we'll do a draw, and you can win one of these 3 gift bags that I have here. I am really excited for this one because I thought this was just like a fun, like maybe, I don't know, maybe like get to know you. I feel like you guys know me pretty well at this point, but I thought if I could give away anything, what would I want to share with you guys that I love so much? So this is pretty much a bag of my favorite things. So let's start off with cutie little pins. I go through a million pins and somehow I lose them all. I never find them with my feet though, so that's good. But I think cute little birdie pins, that is, I would pick that up in a heartbeat. The next in this bag is the 4.5-inch square ruler. This ruler gets used and abused in my sewing room. And I have tried a few different brands, but I always come back to the Omnigrid. I just love literally this grid that they have in the little black in the background there. It's much more helpful than other rulers. So for me personally, love the Omnigrid. So that is in your bag. Next up is kind of a new favorite thing for me. You all know how much I really love binding. I have been trying really hard to get more confident in binding so that every time I have to do it, I'm not like, dreading it and then letting a quilt sit longer on the shelf than it already has been. And these have been a huge thing for me. So I know that binding clips have been around for a little bit. I'm just really slow to jumping on bandwagons. But you will get a cute little tub of all of these pretty colored binding clips. I think we need to talk about binding. As I was working on my Night Stars quilt, it got back from Julia and it is quilted and it is gorgeous and I will show you soon. I thought maybe I should talk about what frustrates me or maybe what I'm learning in the process or how I'm like combating like my mistakes and like running with them instead of panicking every time. Because maybe I'm the only one that doesn't like binding so much. So stay tuned for that one. Next in this bag, you will get 2 friction markers. I love these friction markers. These are the fine tip markers. They go away with the heat, and I can tell you I have not had a problem with any of these colors leaving any residue on my fabrics, even if it's low volume or white. So I've been really impressed with how well these disappear with the iron, and they're pretty great. And then last but not least, Best Press. So you'll get a little squirter too. Best Press, I have tried a lot of starches. I really like Best Press, and I really like this lavender scent. And if I can whine for a second, because what would a video be if I wasn't whining about something? I ordered a whole new refill gallon for my spray bottle, and I ordered lavender, but do you see that? Oh, right there. It's blue. It's the fresh linen scent. My least favorite scent. It was sent to me on accident. I was like, listen, I paid for it and it's going to get used. So I'm trying to figure out how to make that not smell so linen-y, freshy. It's not for me, friends. I love the lavender. So I hope that you love lavender as well. You will get this cute little baggie that they all come in. This is a project bag. I thought that these were going to be kind of like vinyl type bags. But this is a really nice bag. So it's not real leather, it's pleather, but it's like really sturdy and it has this cute little lining on the inside and the zipper's really good. So I thought it would be nice project bag to like put a quilt in progress in. But I think this is a really cute bag for like travel, or if you like to hand stitch in the car, especially with like summer coming up. This is a really nice bag. So that was a really happy surprise, but I have to tell you something funny about them. So from far away, we see cute little quilt blocks, right? Lots of low volume back there, but super cute. Guess what the low volume is? Let me show you here on the bottom of this bag. It's sheet music for Away in a Manger. Every single piece of sheet music you see is a little piece of Away in a Manger. So I meant this as like a cute, fun, summery bag, but I guess Merry Christmas. So wonderful song for all year round. We all need some Jesus. But I just thought that was so funny. I'm like, Away in a Manger? Oh, anyways, it was super cute. And now I realize that these are Christmas bags. But it is adorable. And I love it. And it really doesn't look that Christmassy in my opinion. So I hope you love them too. You'll get the bag. You'll get all of these goodies. And of course, you'll get a yard of fabric, whatever you choose. So that's going to be really cool. Every $10 you spend puts you in to win one of these cute baggies with all these goodies in it. There's no code or anything. It's just I will mark it for every order. Secondly, I have really been wanting to make a quilted jacket, but I just have not had the bravery to cut into a quilt. Like, I just can't do it, mostly because I know I mess up. And I like to practice so that when it really counts, I don't mess up. So I ordered this pattern right here. I think this is a really cute, simple jacket that I'm hoping we can all do together. And then I got this specific cheater print. Cheater. I was telling my husband about this and he goes, cheetah print, huh? That's a bold choice. He's so supportive. I love him so dang much. But I said cheater. So in his mind, he was thinking cheetah print. And it was actually a really funny conversation. So that being said, a cheater print is essentially just fabric that's printed to look like it's a quilt top. So there are lots of different options, but I went with this one specifically because it was Lori Holt. But I have a lot of these colors already in the shop. So the pattern calls for 3 yards of a cheater print and 3 yards of an inside or a lining print. And I thought, well, I could just order a specific color to go with this. But I thought that would be kind of a cool option if you could customize your own lining. So you could grab a red, you could grab this cute like minty green, you can grab a pretty light blue, yellows, like I've got you covered. And it is Lori Holt, so one Lori Holt matches all Lori Holt. So I thought that was going to be kind of like a fun option. So you'll get the 3 yards of the cheater print, and then you can get 3 yards of whatever lining that you'd like. And then there is fabric for binding, which I think is about a 1/2 yard of fabric. Yeah, okay. To make your own double folded binding, you need to purchase a 1/2 yard of fabric. So again, gives you the option to customize whatever you want the binding to be. And you can see hers is blue on the front, but binding just kind of gives you that option to really customize and that like accent with that color. So that was my plan for this one. I don't know when we'll get to it, but I really want to get to it. Again, we are in busy school season right now. We're into testing. It's the end of the year and everyone is just, you know, crazy and all over the place. So hopefully free time will work its way soon. And I will keep trying my best. I'll just show you these ones because they're cute and they're here. I have to spend so much for them to ship me something. So here's 2 random bolts that I got. This is a cute little baby pink with white looking stitching here with little yellow flowers in the middle. And then of course it's a gingham. I don't have a problem, you have a problem. And it's kind of like this tan. It's a really pretty brown. It's gorgeous. It looks kind of dark in the camera. And that almost looks gold, but it's a really pretty brown. So I'll add those to the shop. I don't think I'm going to sell these patterns individually. We're going to sell them in the kit for this quilt kit. I will price it for all of the fabric you need. So 3 yards of the cheater, 3 yards of the lining, and the 1/2 yard for the binding. and then we can just talk about what colors you want. And I'll even send you pictures over email if you want to see like really what those look like. So it's a jacket. Again, backtracking. It is now open for purchases. Every $10 earns you a ticket. Rewards are still going strong, so make sure you are racking up those rewards because we've got some coupons out there right now for those of you who have been earning them. And be thinking about the extra yard of fabric that you would love to win in this bag, because there are a lot of good options in the shop right now. And I feel like we finally hit a good point so that next game we play can be BYOB, which is build your own bundle. We'll talk about that later, but I think I love that game more than Mystery Stitches. Don't be mad that I said that. Anyways, lots of good things coming. I hope that we can see each other a little bit more often. I'm doing my best. So until next time, friends, we will see you. Bye.